In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to rotate your view within model space so that you can get certain lines to be exactly horizontal. This is very important when you're creating a section and projecting those lines straight up. So we're going to talk about how to rotate based on a particular line, in this case a section cut. We have a grading plan that looks at an amphitheater. You can see the proposed contour lines in blue, the existing are in gray. We've got a sidewalk that sort of wraps around the bottom half of this. The stage for the amphitheater, of course the terraces, then move uphill, and the parking lot at the top of the hill. We've got a section cut line, and we want to rotate the entire drawing to where this section line is exactly horizontal. This will allow us to project lines up in creating our section directly above the site plan itself. Now, instead of actually rotating the line work itself, what we're going to do is just simply rotate our view by rotating this axis here. And to do this, we're going to use a command called UCS. So we'll type in UCS, and this will allow us to click 2 points on our section line. We'll start the first, and then we'll click the second. We'll finally hit enter, and this will lock in our new UCS. Now you'll notice that our crosshairs have actually changed direction to where north is, or straight up is still north, but our crosshairs are pointing in the direction that is parallel and perpendicular to our section cut line. The next step is to type in PLAN for plan. We'll hit spacebar to engage that command. We'll hit spacebar one more time, and what this will do is rotate our line work, not our line work itself, but actually just rotate the compass that you can see. North is now in the top right quadrant. This will allow us to take our section line, copy this directly up into space, and begin to project up lines for our section itself. We can simply project up one line and copy this multiple times, catching each element along the section cut line, as well as contours if we're projecting up contours in this case. Now we'll continue sort of our traditional section techniques, but once we've completed this entire thing, we'll want to rotate our drawing back to where north is directly up. To do that, we'll simply follow the same steps, typing in UCS, and instead of clicking a line, we'll simply type W for world. This will rotate our crosshairs back to where north is directly straight up. We'll then type in plan, P-L-A-N, and again hit spacebar twice, and this will rotate our drawing. You'll see our line work is still projected up off to the side. This will be really helpful as you're creating sections and you need to rotate your drawing to pull those lines directly up. Even if you're using multiple section lines, you can continue to change the UCS and rotate your plan or your view of the plan using the PLAN spacebar command.